Hello everyone. So today I was looking at this question on the community, and this question is about never-ending epics, and I thought I'll make a video on this because this is interesting. Now the question is that if you have a situation where you are using Jira for, let us say, supporting your product, and it could be a software-based product where your teams are responsible for adding new features, but at the same time, you also have a requirement where you want to track or you want to store or basically use a tool like Jira to manage your maintenance or support-based tickets. For example, if you have a product, you may receive a lot of requests for doing small things, small changes, customizations, basically small items, and those small items are basically ongoing. So basically that is the main thing, that the support tickets to support those projects or products are never really going to stop. So there is no end date. So there is no plan. It is more about you will do things as they come. Now the question is that how do we manage it in Jira, and do we need to create a never-ending epic? So this is something that this person is asking here. Or we create an epic with some time box approach, like support tickets for 2020, support ticket for 2021, or any other way. So to be honest, it is a very simple requirement, and you don't really have to do a lot. To be honest, what you need to do is, of course, you have a project in Jira, and when we talk about using an epic, so first of all, you don't have to use an epic in this case, and you can just use an issue type called task or support, whatever, and let those tickets come in or issues come into that project, and then of course work on resolving it. And whenever you're working on those tasks or any type of issue in Jira, you have other fields like component, or you can also create labels and you use your own custom field to further classify those tickets. So it will help you in reporting. But at the same time, if you are talking about let us say reporting based on epics, so an epic is nothing but a collection of stories by definition. But when you have a project, for example, if you're working on some improvements, so let us say you have a team of developers and they are 80% of their time is basically focused on development, but you still want to keep some buffer for 20% buffer for some maintenance ad hoc items, and you may still follow or want to follow sprints, or you're basically following Scrum, Agile. So in this particular case, what you can do is you can definitely create an epic. Again, you don't have to, but if you create an epic, it will help you in reporting because you will have all the items. Because when stakeholders look at the plan, let us say they're looking at all the epics, and they know that okay, this particular epic is for this quarter. Like let us say you want to add a new feature, you want to add payment gateway to your mobile app, or you want to add a new feature to accept maybe payments using a specific type of card. So basically these are like your epics, and when you're looking at these epics as a stakeholder, you want to know, okay, these are the epics, this is the overall progress, and for grouping those items that you want to deliver in a specific quarter. I'm talking about quarter, again, quarter is just nothing but I'm trying to follow safe. It's not really just safe, but usually when people make plan, they try to make a plan for at least 2 months or 3 months. So again, quarter is nothing but your time boxed approach. So you can definitely create one epic in your program increment or your quarter, where you can. So these epics could be like a placeholder, like support -epic -quarter 2, and keep it open till the end of the quarter. And whenever there is a new task that comes in, support task, small changes, add it under this epic. So whenever you're looking at your plan, you have all the epics, like 4 epics are for developing a new feature, but the 5th epic would be just a support. And you may know, okay, by looking at the board or any report, you know that, okay, out of my 100 items that I need to deliver, 80 of them are stories, but 20 of them, or maybe another 50 of them are small items, but they are support. So again, you don't have to use epic, but if you have to use epic, which I think will make sense, don't create a never ending epic. Create an epic for each quarter, which I guess is not really a big deal, right? Anyone can do it. And That is it. Simple, short solution to this question, and I thought I'll probably make a video on this. Alright, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much. Bye bye.